Most people see conflict as something to avoid, messy, painful, and destructive. But here's the surprising truth. Conflict, when embraced with the right perspective, is one of the greatest teachers of strength. Stay with me, because by the end, I'll share how conflict, instead of breaking you, can actually awaken the deepest power of your soul. Welcome to Mastering Life's Adventures, the channel where we combine spiritual psychology with practical tools to help you live from your true self, your soul, the substance of your life. I'm Dr. Judith, coach, psychologist, and in this space we talk about ways to deepen love, communicate with courage, lead with insight, and grow your soul every day. Think about a conflict you faced. Maybe an argument, a workplace clash, or even an inner struggle. At the time, it may have felt draining, but looking back, can you see how it revealed your resilience, sharpened your clarity, or taught you boundaries? That's because conflict is not just a disruption. It's a mirror and a mentor. It doesn't just test your strength, it develops it. And here's how. Number one, conflict teaches clarity. In the heat of a disagreement, your values rise to the surface. You discover what really matters to you and what you can release. Without conflict, many leaders drift and compromise. With conflict, the soul declares, this is who I am, and this is what I stand for. 2. Conflict strengthens courage. It takes courage to speak truth, to stand firm, or even to stay calm when someone else's emotions flare. Every time you face conflict with courage instead of avoidance, you're braver for the next challenge. Number 3, conflict deepens connection when handled with respect. Strangely enough, some of the strongest bonds are forged in fire. When two people walk through conflict without destroying each other, trust grows deeper. Respect multiplies. Connection becomes more authentic. Number 4, conflict builds inner resilience. Each time you survive a hard moment, you prove to yourself that you can handle it. Resilience is not built in ease, it is built in the storms. Conflict becomes the weight lifting of the soul. But here's the higher secret about conflict that changes everything. The secret is conflict is not here to tear you apart. It is here to call you up. And when you face conflict with presence, dignity, and openness, it transforms from an enemy into an ally. It shows you the strength you don't know you had and awakens the leader within. So don't fear conflict. Face it with your soul awake. Because conflict doesn't just test strength, it creates it. Conflict is not the fire that burns you. It is the fire that forges you. What do you think about that? And if this spoke to you, share it, reflect on it, and subscribe for more wisdom that helps you grow stronger through life's challenges.